imekulotv.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm going to go out and my hair, I think it actually looks pretty cool in afro, but I'm going to try to make my hair into some sort of style that might be a little bit more, to make it look more cute. So I want to like do some fake bangs, so I put this in front of my hair, and then I'm gonna do some ponytails that I think will look pretty adorable, and you know, yeah. Right now I'm separating my hair into two sections. I'm gonna put one section in a ponytail just to put that out of the way. And here I'm going to moisturize my hair. I'm not going to add too much moisturizer because this is just a quick thing to do. It's really not, shouldn't be that difficult. I'm in a bit of a rush, so I want to get my hair done as quickly as I can, and I don't want to put too much to let it all dry out and stuff. It take a long time to dry, and I don't have time for that. I got this gel that I'm gonna put over my hair, just in the edges of my hair, so it's a lot sleeker when I brush it up. Oh, and you can see as I put it in there. And so I'm putting it just all over the edges of my hair. And it's gonna look a lot better, trust me, once I brush it up. Here I am brushing it. Just brushing it all the way up. Up, up, up. I can smooth it just so that it doesn't look like I have any more of that gel in, but you can see how smooth my hair looks just to that gel. Like no edge control, it's just the Eco Styler gel. Like how awesome is that? So anyway, I use one of these black ties to put my hair in a ponytail, and I'm gonna do like a bun style. So I wrap the hair and put some of it in a loop, and there's one little bun right there, and I'll just do the same for the other side as well. I want to create like a fake bang or something like that. So the good thing about natural hair is that you can actually mold it to be shorter than you want it to be, especially if you have more of an afro texture. If your hair was much looser, you probably wouldn't be able to do it, but you see how I can do it like this and put some moisturizer, Main Choice moisturizer that I've been using, and yeah, smooth it so that it looks good. Put a little bit of gel, scrunch it up. I got some of this bobby pins, and I'm gonna put it underneath my hair so so that no one can really see the bobby pin. And then another one right here. So again, no one can see the bobby pin. Another one, of course, right here. Hey guys, so I decided to pin the front of my hair and then leave the sides hanging without any bobby pins. It fits my natural frame better and looks like I actually cut my hair. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.